Leader Ram Madhav accuses Congress government of misappropriating central funds. BJP aspiring candidates, including former DGP Joy Kumar, quit BJP to contest election from a regional party. IJM alleges that only 51% of fuel is distributed to the people, 49% reserved for government. Without Tanjung Polo Club A and MPSC Polo Team A reached semi-finals of N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lathima Monica with the latest news updates. BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav today asserted that the BJP will form the next government in Manipur. He also said the BJP, after it comes to power in Manipur, will investigate into all the scams of the Ibobi government. The BJP leader today criticized the Congress government and the Chief Minister for misappropriation of central funds and mentioned some of the scams, including the Loktak leak. Speaking to media persons at the Classic Grande, Ram Madhav termed the allegation of the Congress that the BJP work hand in glove with the NSA and IM as unfounded and baseless. He alleged that there is high-level corruption in all the government projects. The BJP leader also accused the relatives of the Chief Minister of being involved in drug trafficking and the ministers of misusing development funds. Ram Madhav said a dam takes more than 3 decades to complete and the state government demands more funds from the centre from time to time. He said if the BJP comes to power in Manipur, all the scams of the Congress government will be probed.
Next 2-3 days, we will announce the remaining 2 candidates also. There is a process for initiating any action. The action has to be initiated by that very same state government. If the head of the government himself is corrupt, only way to redress is to remove that government. We want people of Manipur to remove this government, give it to BJP. We will investigate all the allegations against Mr. Ibobi and his colleagues. Whether they are involved in corruption, whether they are involved in smuggling, whether they are involved in sex rackets in the state. We will investigate each and every allegation, and those found guilty will be sent behind the bars once the BJP government is in power. If there is any deal, the deal is between the UG groups which are indulging in acts like blockade in the hills and Mr. Ibobi.
Several BJP aspiring candidates, including the former DGP of Manipur, Y. Joy Kumar, and BJYM President and State Secretary Oinam Malaysia, have threatened to leave the party after they were denied the BJP ticket. Oinam Malaysia was the aspiring candidate of Nauria Pakhanglakpa. Speaking to media at his residence at Kwakitel, Malay said he will resign from the party and contest the election. He said he will discuss with his supporters before joining another party. Malay alleged that the BJP has accepted lakhs of rupees from the candidates and questioned how can this party remove corruption. He said the BJP will be wiped out from Nauria Pakhanglakpa and several party workers have quit the party.
Sibu karamba chumba tawra kadori bano akhoi bunga si tem singari ba ngasi gi BJP ge maikhom upi ba ngasi gi achumba sagani haina tholali ba Manipur bo awona porakani haijin nari ba adugumba party sidi ngasi di Nauria de gi maru phungna muthalasi.
Former DGP Yumnam Joy Kumar, who was a BJP aspiring candidate in Uripok, have resigned from the party. He said he will contest the assembly polls on the ticket of another political party. Speaking to media at his residence at Naurimthong, he said every political party has its ideology, but the future of the party is determined by its leaders. He says even though Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a good leader, the same thing cannot be said about the leaders in Manipur. The former DGP said neither the Congress nor the BJP will be able to get absolute majority in Manipur. He said he will fight the election from a regional political party.
Party khudimaki loina magi ideology ama lejai ideology to fazana follow tok dai party khudimak loina khatab lete loina akhobang aktani party ma phanba phalanda bai side party du bo handle toriba party du de laiba misak singduna party du phanba aduga phalanda bai se masi oibani state ki sida leiba organization sida leiba limling gadu mi singsina thudokna kaina puna phabanatra gidi sisu kesu oiro similarly congress ki sumangai phaba phatta ba se madudat leiba kanu ngaktani ni miu singuna adu phanba phalandu ngaktani.
BJP aspiring candidate Ningthozam Nilakumar of Langtabal left the BJP after he was denied the BJP ticket. Speaking to media persons at Kakwa Khongnang Phaidikpi, he said he joined the party with the hope to bring about changes in Manipur. He also alleged that many bribed to get the BJP ticket. He said he will fight the election as candidate of a regional party.
Rajniti tawriba sincerely tawge hena khanjariba thulaiba naha wariba politician myambu namthu biramaga nathai biramaga haleng balai traba dugma ticket pibadagi hauna senja thumjagi maigei romda changchalakpa senja thumjagi maigei romda henam khumang jawchalakpa dongna tawraga hariba khoina 15 years of blood and 15 years of aikhoigi corruption si kamai tawdana muthat kadage haibse media gi mangda thamjaningi na tungdasu sumaina amu hana tawdriba adugumba sigumba corruption gi dak leitriba adugumba party mada yauraga iramdam langthabal kendra ge amadi manipur gi damukta Nilakumar na soidana fight toba thulakki ni have said media gi mangda thamjage.
As the 11th Assembly elections draw nearer, candidates in various constituencies are going for door-to-door campaign to woo the voters. Congress candidate in Singjamai, Iringbam Hemochandra, today campaigned with his supporters in different areas of the constituency. Hemochandra expressed the hope that the Congress party will not only retain its Singjamai seat but form the next government. He said only Congress can find logical solutions to the various problems facing the state, not BJP.
अकोई मणिपुर दा अकोई ने कन्फ्रंट तौरिबा इश्यूज में आमसे मसीगी लॉजिकल सॉल्यूशन से अकोई की कांग्रेस की सरकार से हलागा मधु पीब नतना अतोप पार्टी ने पीब सोम गमोय पर्टिकुलरली बीजेपी ने दिसुगम पीब गमरो वोट हाइबसिबुदी अकोई हाइडोक्ट्री बाउदी अकोई वोट हाइबसिदी रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर ने सर्टिफिकेट तो पीद्री बाउदी डिक्लेयर तौद्री बाउदी हाइब गमदे अदुबु मयामनसु असेसमेंट अदुम तौबिरमगनी अकोई की सिंगजमैदा लैरिबा अंदक की वेव अदगी कांग्रेस ता थाजरिबा अकोई की कॉन्फिडेंस असे सुखसोई सोइदना आइ वाखलदि अकोई माइ पाकनी हाइबगी थाजजब साइंगोना लैजे.
BJP candidate Okram Joy today asserted that only the Congress party is uprooted from the state, it will develop and move forward. Joy was speaking at an election meeting held at Lilong Chajing Myrin Khong in Lilong constituency. He said a BJP government is needed to bring about a change in the state. He urged the people to understand Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiatives from the development of the North-East states and support the party.
Sahi kumpuni pan mapangi Congress ki rulda London masida lairi bamiam pada punamanga aikoi sepa phangdawa sawa phangdawa aikoi thakna ising leitaba lambi leitaba subam nombam khangdaba London mama sanori bodo halaki tama thoi suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha ki nikalda pigatoriba vote BJP the thada voto maduna Manipur the overlook for connect.
BJP Manipur Pradesh headquarters in charge K. Sarat termed the allegation made by Thamaiban MLA K.H. Joy Kisan that he joined the Congress after BJP tried to assassinate his political career a shame. Speaking at an election meeting of Kaisamthong BJP candidate R.K. Sivachandra at Kwakatil Akham Lekai, he compared the allegation with the port calling the cattle black. Sarat alleged that Joy Kisan joined Congress after he could not become a leader in BJP. A political conference of North-East India Development Party was held today at the residence of NEIDP aspiring candidate Mohammad Sheikh Kheruddin at Lilong. Speaking at the conference, spokesperson of the party Sapam Kunjakishore alleged that the Congress, which ruled the state for 15 years, did nothing for the development of the state. He said if NEIDP forms the government, the party will provide free education to the children and introduce development schemes to provide employment to the youth and make the state drug-free.
अकोई दोनों वाह थमजरी मतुदे पार्टी सिना करप्शन से मपुंग फाना मुठन नबगी वक्ता तोंगान मयाम स्पेसिफिक कोई मणिपुर आमा वक्त की तो मौंग दा कोई थोकसिल लमगा लोकल लगा हाय वो करप्शन से मुठन लगा आमना तिनंग काइजिंग दबा तसेन केंद्र म कोइना फनबदा करप्शन से मुथत कदेबनी हाइबचे कोइ की टूल सगे चप चाब थाजजबा.
When the political parties are organizing election campaigns in connection with assembly polls in the state, the display of poster that reads "Vote Komba Lakbiganu, don't ask for votes near a house" is something unusual. A team of Impact News team today came across the poster in Kaisamthong, Hodam Lerak. The house belongs to Laishram Imocha, who is the representatives of the people, said the representatives of the people forgets the people after they voted for them. He said instead of focusing on the problems facing the people, they only think for themselves. However, the Impact News team came across some construction material near Hodam Lerak. Repair of lanes which have remained ignored for years is usually done near the elections.
Aji election maya laga chemba khopa thabak se yam tawre akhoi gi voter sing se yam thak se yam niengre mi am na ji mi khomba yaba matam natre ba ji se aji je chak chana ba yuthak tawba yam tawre masi khara akhoi na voter sing sina gyan targa di masi afaba samaj ama lakani di khali bochi amata moisi lakti la e tai house ke bel e la e candidate khudimak ado akhoi ga di wari sanadre soidna khandi akhoi na thari ba wakhalun je masi miyam na su labi sapad masi yam da phaye na su yam thaga piba adegi yam na masi mi khudim su gyan yoi tahan ba haitare ne yoi na tanare adu ga su khara hena akhoi na pa chauna sandona khoi khangan ba ma change ba.
Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur HM has alleged that 51% of fuel are distributed to the people while the remaining 49% are reserved for the government. HM President N. Rajendra today alleged that this has caused fuel scarcity in the state. He also alleged that this is an attempt to gain political mileage in view of the upcoming assembly elections, and HM will lodge a complaint to the Election Commission of India. Speaking to media persons at HM office at Note AOC, Rajendra said HM has been checking the stocks of oil at oil pumps since January 30 to ensure regular distribution to the customers. HM met the Chief Secretary yesterday to discuss the fuel scarcity and submitted a memorandum to him. He said the Chief Secretary assured them of discussing the matter with the minister concerned. Rajendra said there is petrol for 7 days and diesel for 8 days in IOC depot, and the problem facing the people can be solved if all the 558 oil tankers of the IOC are put into service instead of only 350 oil tankers. Today also, HM made surprise visit to some of the oil pumps.
Government you know the sang the other policy some of the Nimpuguma Pansi reserve the Leramba. Reserve system and the primary system. I don't know who's only the Parzada Pang is 51. Some of the Yakima took Pang was about the sea, a Q left. I don't know a secretary, the Tamzaram, who's it? Some of the 51 cut Pangana, Q left Ravanina, Nipuma and Sima reserve is a similar Topiro, Katat Piro. See over Targati, Manipur, Norman, time to the Gi, Sada Tara, Hena, quick eloquence and Togalam. Aduga Ngara, Aquina, Hankateramazda. Karigumba, the link to the Namagi political Kudung Sab, loan of honor Targati, Sada, Nipuma upon result, Tami, the same as a political Gavantes, loan of banana, Kalaka, Namaseko, Ishiada, Aquay, Nomini and Matunda, Lokok of Tar, they Ishiada, Tutu Show and Masigi, Maritim report, Tamna Isamna, Konkama Pakat Sagani.
National General Secretary of National Students Union of India NSUI Angelica Aribam from Konthausam is among the top 30 in the country's most promising and talented youngsters of Forbes India. NSUI in a press release congratulated Angelica Aribam for her achievement in the field of law, policy and politics. She is the first from the Northeast to be elected to the Executive Committee of Delhi University Students Union in 2012. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
The pinnacles of success for your children, Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 sizinabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba ki irai lai ba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ga mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Unidentified miscreants planted a bomb near the Nissan car showroom at Kiamgaipal, Ahanbi and the Singjamai police station yesterday. Security personnel guarding the showroom found the bomb yesterday evening around 5:30. Later, police bomb squad arrived at the spot and removed the bomb. Imphal police today destroyed poppy plants at Hangoipad, Kundrakbam. The poppy plants were spotted when a team of police led by Imphali's Additional SP Operation K. Megachandra during a drive against drugs and intoxicating substances ahead of the assembly elections. The poppy plants were destroyed this afternoon around 2. A workshop was held today in connection with the Oil and Gas Conservation Fortnight to create awareness among consumers on how to use gas economically and safely. The workshop was organized by Indian Service at Thawala Thokpam under the aegis of LPG Sales Area Imphal and LPG Area Sales Office Silchar on LPG Safety Clinic. The 8th Annual Art and Photography Exhibition was opened today by Director of Art and Culture Dr. K. Sushila at State Art Gallery, Palace Compound. The exhibition is organized by Art Society Manipur, Nomoibang Nabam Chutek. A number of paintings, sculptures and photographs by several well-known artists are on the display at the exhibition. National Metal Casting Camp, which began on January 27 at Sharma Arts and Crafts House Complex Common, will conclude tomorrow. 10 sculptors from 7 states participated in the exhibition organized under the aegis of Lalit Kala Academy. In a press release, the Academy said the artists will showcase 14 bronze sculptures tomorrow on the closing day. At least 150 persons donated blood at the blood donation camp held today as part of the Singju Festival organized by Singju Yokatpallup at MMRC and Unity Park from January 28. The blood donation camp held by Social Warriors Manipur, Association for Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thawal Branch and SYOL Manipur was supported by the staffs of Hematology and Blood Transfusion Department, RIMS, and Blood Transfusion Department, Jenims and Thawal District Hospital. The press show of Pony Film Productions Itao Ibungo Nukshibi was held at Sima Art Film Academy, Thamaiban, Sinamlikai today. The film was among the 6 nominated for Manifa Award 2017 and bagged the Best Actress Award and the Best Male Singer Award. The film portrays the hardships faced by the women and it is shown through the character of a man who is transformed into a woman for 4 months. Now news from the world of sports. Ibudao Thangjung Polo Club A and MPSC Polo Team A have reached the semi-finals of the 32nd and Hazarian Dr. Antombi State Polo Tournament. In the third quarter-final played today at Imphal Polo Ground, Ibudao Thangjung Polo Club A trounced MPSC Polo Team C 10-2. M. Doran and Piyojit scored 3 goals each, O. Samarjit 2, L. Kokeshwar and H. Manihar scored 1 goal each for the winners. T.H. Roman and M. Vivekananda scored 1 goal each for MPSC Polo Team C. In the fourth quarter-final, MPSC Polo Team A trounced Eastern Sporting Club A Nomaibung 7-3. MPSC Polo Team A's M. Jawan scored 3 goals, H. Abung Kuman, S. Bimol, T.H. Ranjit and Y. Binoy scored 1 goal each. E. Rome scored 2 goals and T.H. Momochana scored 1 goal for Eastern Sporting Club A Nomaibung. The semi-final matches will be played tomorrow. SDC Samurao have entered the semi-final of the 24th state level and the 17th sub-junior boys football tournament organized by Thangmaiban Athletics Union at Thau Ground. SDC Samurao defeated NFA Thangmaiban 2-1 in the quarterfinal today. KYFA Koirengai trounced Thangmaiban 5-0 in the quarterfinal match of the 13th state level under 14 mini boys football tournament. Ideal Club Terakaitel have won the Senior Women Manipur Hockey League, bagging 10 points. In the final league match, Ideal Club Terakaitel dropped YCCIC Kontha Hanlup 16-0. Miraba Sekong with 10 points were declared the runners-up due to the difference in the number of goals. In the last league match of Senior Men Manipur Hockey League, Hockey Union Larikingbam Lekai and Seo Singjamai Wangma Khetri Lekai were drawn 2-2. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. BJP leader Ram Madhav accuses Congress government of misappropriating central funds. Many BJP aspiring candidates, including former DGP Joy Kumar, quit BJP to contest election from a regional party. HM alleges that only 51% of fuel is distributed to the people, 49% reserved for government. And Ibido Thangjing Polo Club A and MPSC Polo Team A reached semi-finals of N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament.